University Open Days in Australia 2022. Here's the dates. The IPSWICH Campus Open Day is the 14th of August 2022. The Springfield Campus Open Day, the 14th of August 2022. And finally at the TOOWOOMBA campus, that open day will be on the 21st of August 2022. If you're dreaming of a university education, well, guess what? It could be closer than you think, and that's why you should go to the open day for the University of Southern Queensland. Just take a few hours out of your day and visit them at their open day, and you can experience everything just by visiting. How good is that? That is on offer at the University of Southern Queensland. There's a lot of common sense advice available. All of it's supplied by the universities. Here's just a couple. La Trobe University, they've written some website content on 7 ways to make the most of Open Day. And Victoria University also, how to make the most of Uni Open Days. The links are below in the description, and we've got some tips for tackling Open Days as well. And if you can't get there in person, especially if you're overseas, guess what? A lot of these universities have the option that you can get online and be there in a virtual sense. And these are all designed to help you gain success.